Lesson 1. The language of computer. The medium which enables us to express our views and feelings is language. We need a language which a computer can understand. It has to be given instructions for every action. Program is a set of instructions which tells the computer what to do. Programming is the process of writing specific instructions in a computer language. People who do the job of programming are the programmers. The computer language is divided into 4 categories: machine language, assembly language, high-level language, 4th generation language. Machine language. A computer understands only machine language. This language is expressed in binary form, that is 0 and 1. 0 means off state and 1 means on state. Machine language has the dual advantages: high speed and very low memory utilization. But learning and understanding a machine language is not an easy task. A machine language is exclusively dependent on machine. A machine language program written on one computer may or may not run on another computer. This is the reason why very few people opt for specialization in machine language. Machine language is also regarded as low-level language, LLL, assembly language. Mnemonics, codes or symbols are used in this language in place of zeros and ones. Symbolic memory addresses are used for data instead of remembering the exact memory locations where data and instructions are stored. As the computer can understand the machine language, only assembly language programs have to be first converted into machine language. Translator programs, also known as assemblers, were developed to get the assembly language program converted into machine language. A program written in assembly language is the source program, and the program which gets converted into machine language by assembler is called object program or object code. Assembly language is also machine dependent and programming language. It is also very time consuming. This is the reason why it is regarded as a low level language. LLL, high level language. The restrictions in the usage of machine and assembly language inspired people to develop a language with the following features: simple and user-friendly language, language which is not machine dependent. Because of the above features, it became quite easy to learn and use the computer language. These languages enabled a large number of people to write computer programs. This is the reason why it is known as high-level language. HLL. High-level language is not very different from English language. Basic, C, C++, Java, etc. are some of the very famous high-level languages. High-level language programs first need to get translated into machine language with the help of translator programs. There are two types of translator programs which are as follows. Interpreter. With the help of translator, a high-level language program gets converted into machine language. It translates line by line, that is, first it converts one line, executes the instruction and then repeats the procedure for the remaining instructions. Error, if any, are to be instantly removed. The converted form is not stored anywhere and has to be generated at the time when it executed a program. Interpreter programs are preferred for the beginners and are slow in execution speed. Example: suppose the German president is visiting India on an official tour. To understand each other, German president and Indian prime minister both will require an interpreter who can interpret German language into English and vice versa. Compiler. It is a translator program through which a high-level language program gets converted into machine language. It at once translates the whole program, that is, it generates the object code along with the list of errors, if any, for the program. The execution speed is very fast. Fourth generation languages. 4GL. The development of computer languages has been classified into the following categories: machine language as first generation, assembly language as second generation, high-level language as third generation. Fourth generation languages are the combination of languages which has the following features: very high speed of execution, highly user-friendly, reduced level of programming skills. In 4GL, the user has to just specify the required output and the format of the output without getting bothered about the steps required to obtain that. Language. Machine. Features: binary codes to depict operators and data. Machine dependent. Only language directly understood by computer. Language assembly. Features: mnemonics or symbolic codes instead of binary numbers. Machine dependent. Has to be converted first into machine language by translator programs. Assemblers. Language high-level language. Features: English words and mathematical operator. Machine independent. Has to be converted into machine language by translator programs, interpreters and compilers. Language 4GL. Features: minimal user skills required to obtain results. Application development tool. Points for review: a set of instructions which tells the computer what to do is called a program. The process of writing specific instructions in a computer language is known as programming. People who do the job of programming are the programmers. Compiler is a translator program through which a high-level language program gets converted into machine language.